Hi! In today's video, we're going to discuss the top 5 benefits of buying a scale with a built-in internal rechargeable battery, so stay tuned. Many scales on the market today contain internal rechargeable batteries. Why would you choose battery power over the simplicity of plugging your scale into a wall outlet? Let's take a look at some of the benefits of a rechargeable battery-powered scale. Number 1, no electricity, no problem. Whether you need to work somewhere without a convenient electrical outlet or the power has temporarily gone out, you'll be able to perform weighing tasks without missing a beat with a battery-powered scale. Be mindful of when the battery needs to be recharged. The last thing you want is to lose power while working in the field. Number 2, easy mobility. Without the need to rely on a power cord while working, your scale can be anywhere you need it to be. For example, are you taking inventory? You can transport an easy-to-carry portable counting scale throughout your warehouse and save time. Be sure to store your rechargeable scale somewhere convenient at the end of each workday. And if you know that you're going to be using the scales where there is no AC power, be sure to charge the scales overnight so you'll have 100% battery life. Number 3, sharing a scale that's easily movable, like a scale with a rechargeable battery, is also easy to share. If they aren't using it all day every day, employees at different workstations or in different areas of your facility can share the same device. Number 4, economical batteries can be expensive. Think of your kids' toys and every remote control in the house. But rechargeable batteries can be charged hundreds of times or more before ever needing to be replaced. In some cases, over time, your scale can actually pay for itself in battery savings. And electric rates are lower in some localities at night, so recharging scales overnight also offers another opportunity for savings. Number 5, environmental rechargeable batteries are also better for the environment, using less non-renewable natural resources than disposable alkaline batteries. To minimize their environmental impact, always properly dispose of the spent rechargeable batteries in accordance with local regulations. Do you need some help selecting the right battery-powered scale? Please visit our website, centralcarolinascale.com. Once you're on our website, you can see all the portable scales that we offer. And if you need some assistance, we're just an email or a phone call away. Thanks for watching!